Land a bargain on this 2013 Nissan Rogue before someone else takes it home. Roomy but easy to maneuver, its tried and true variable transmission and its durable gas i4 2.5L/152 engine have lots of soul for a bargain price. It is well equipped with the following options: electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and brake assist, BA, 2.5L DOHCS MPI 16-valve i4 engine, front rear stabilizer bar, lower anchors and tethers for children, latch, immobilizer key system, front spoiler, body color rear spoiler, traction control system, TCS, 3-point seat belts for all seating positions, front seat mounted side impact airbags. You've done your research, so stop by Benton Nissan at 1834 Highway 7080, Oxford, Alabama, 36203 this weekend to take a test drive of this great vehicle.